Don't mess with sea legs. We left Pascagoula this morning at 4:30. We've ran about 2 hours. We're about 60 miles offshore. We're gonna stop at our first platform. We're gonna make a little troll around, drop some jigs in. Let's just see what we can get. Judge 30's down.
There he is. All right, we come off over here.
Yeah, he ain't on yet.
Come on, one of y'all want it?
King.
A barracuda.
Is it a cuda? Yeah, it is a cuda.
Cuda. Cuda. You'll make one more pass and then jig some?
Yeah.
Every time we pass the rig, we get bit.
Train strategy. We did some trolling. We caught that one barracuda. We had a couple hits, but now we're going to do some jigging. Just drop it down. We're going to bring it back up.
Way down.
Well, you want to go swimming?
No.
What is that?
Banded rudder fish.
There you go. You can knock it out. We got one on the truck 30.
Jig it, you on?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna clear. Yeah, I think we're gonna clear. Another one.
That's an even bigger one.
Yeah. We're gonna have to just bring him on that one.
Thinks we can eat his buddy. Look at the size of that. You see him?
Just bring him in.
Yeah, we have to bring him in. Don't feel like a shark, does it?
Oh,
Shark.
there he is. Come on, Jen.
Big shark. The tax man. Tax man came for a little. He didn't break it? He gave it a haircut.
Keep him out so he stays with no motors. Keep him out where he stays with no motors. What is that? Oh, a big barracuda.
All that.
I can probably pop him out.
He's coming.
Oh, there, I see some color. Oh, it's a shark. That's what Phillips got.
Thrasher, huh? Did he eat your fish? Yeah, whatever you had on, he ate it.
Yep. What is it?
It is a shark. Look how cute.
Some fish right here, about under the boat at 50 feet. Yeah, go ahead and reel it up, mister. Uh-oh.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Holy moly.
Yeah. We got meat. Let's see what's going on with yours.
But I was probably over her.
No. He's not on. That's the weight you feel in your bait.
Okay. Well, just let it back down or check.
Yeah, let it back down. That'll
Let
work.
it sink.
That'll work.
Don't mess the fillet.
Messing up meat up.
Oh, that's a good one, man. Dude, this is a good one here.
You got him?
There you go.
Here
Finally.
you go. Swap reels. Go here. I'll take this one.
What is that coming up with him? Oh yeah. Oh, we got another one on.
Yeah.
That's a good one too. Todd, you on, brother?
Ooh, that's a good fish too.
Yeah, that's a
Pop
good
on.
one. He's ripping drag.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
I was on the straight jig too with the.
No, it's
How'd you put a poke down
bait,
there?
yeah. It's gonna be a grouper here.
Dang. I hope so. I hope so too.
This dragon bottom, I said it'd be a nice grouper. We got him hair lip. We gotta get it, Gav.
Yeah.
Yeah, barely got him hair lip.
Ah. You got it?
Barely hair lip. Oh yeah. That's how we like to do it on Mississippi Outdoors. Need the gas? Look at his hair lip. Look at this.
Barely.
Barely. Let me come by you.
Yeah, come on this side. We drifting that way.
You want me to go under or over?
Dick's on, son. Oh, that's a good one there.
My gear gave out on me. It wasn't me giving out. My double hook set. He couldn't stand the pressure.
Dude, we may have to go chase this thing. Whoa. Dude, I'm running out of line. Oh, no, don't do it. Come off.
Nice one. That's a nice one.
Oh, I got somebody's line too.
That would be my line, probably. Yep. Give me some gas. Give us some gas.
Oh, I'm out of line.
Oh, man. Took every bit of it.
Dude, I just put 300 yards of 50 on here too. That's
Really?
1,200 feet of line. Gone.
You couldn't tighten your drag no more?
Dude, I was locked it down.
Really?
I was hitting it with my hand too. My hand's on fire right now.
All right, bring him on up. You gotta reel him up.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, you gotta get him up. Roll him on his back. Roll him on his back. He'll go dead. Really, he will. He'll go well. Oh.
We want pictures, don't we? All right, come back here.
There you go. What a wonderful day out here offshore fishing today with our captain, Mr. Mark Evans, co-captain Trey Firefogel. They put us on a nice box of fish. We got snapper, we've caught barracuda, we've caught shark. Hey, only on Mississippi Outdoors.